First, you turn the time circuits on.
You know, overthinking can cause you... Overthinking can cause you to not take any action on your dreams and to keep you from reaching out for success. We don't want to be failures, but we get closer to succeeding the more we fail, ironically. But fear can leave you paralyzed, and at the end of the day, you ended up not making any moves because you were too scared of other people's opinions. Like, who cares what they think? They're gonna talk about you regardless, right? Yeah. Distractions are gonna be non-stop. Video games are cool, but you know it's hindering you from executing your goals and doing what you know you need to be doing to advance your career. Writing your goals down on paper is the first step to manifesting what you want.
Precise. My guy.
If anybody's guilty of it, it's me. As much as I didn't want to, I had to cancel my membership for a while just so I can prioritize and clear my head a little better. Everything around you started as a thought before it transformed into the physical. Like, somebody had to think of this controller before they designed it and created it.
Smart.
Someone had to think of these glasses before they, you know, put them through the manufacturer. Acting out your ideas is so important if you think about the inventors that missed out on all those opportunities because they thought everything was going to fall in their lap and they didn't have a plan for what they wanted to do. We all have the same 24 hours in a day and no clue how much sand is left in the hourglass. But maintaining that hunger and that ambition takes a little bit of courage, just like the little engine that could. Corny. It seems like the closer you get to accomplishing your purpose, the more things just happen to pop up and get in your way, right? You just gotta put up your pop-up blockers, you know what I mean? Pop, 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 pop. Holding yourself accountable is one of the main things we struggle with on a daily basis, and I'm the first one to admit it. The hardest part about getting something done is to actually get started. It's kind of like going to the gym. The more and more you think about it, the more you end up not going, but if you just get up off the couch and go, make yourself do it, the more you get in the habit of, you know, maintaining that momentum and gaining progress. I'll just do it later. I'll get to it tomorrow. You know that never works. Just do it now. You know, finish those projects that you've always had on the back burner because nobody can see your vision better than you. And that's what I call flawless victory. So when you tell people you're a pro, just don't let it be short for procrastinator.
This is the Accurate Academy.
Precise.